Best inflatable paddleboards. I bought and tested these inflatable paddleboards so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After hitting the water and experiencing each board firsthand, I'm here to share my honest thoughts. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's something here for everyone. Product number 1. Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard 10 feet 6 inches. When I first unboxed the Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, I was struck by its vibrant royal color. Weighing in at just 8 kilograms, it was easy to carry down to the lake. As I inflated the board, I could feel the quality in the material. It's made of PVC, which is known for its durability. I was curious to see how it would handle on water, especially with its impressive 350 pounds weight capacity. As I stepped onto the gourd, I felt an immediate sense of stability thanks to its extra-wide design. This board is not just for experts, it's designed for all skill levels, making it a perfect choice for families or friends who want to paddle together. I spent hours gliding across the lake, the non-slip deck providing comfort and assurance with every stroke. The Rock paddleboard comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, which gave me peace of mind about the investment. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, its lightweight design makes it super portable, and the extra-wide construction truly enhances stability for beginners. The accessories included are top-notch, surpassing many competitors in terms of quality. However, one downside I noticed was that while it is durable, it can be a bit bulky to store, especially if you're short on space. Still, the overall experience was fantastic. Why buy this board? If you're looking for a reliable paddleboard that balances quality, stability, and price, the Rock Inflatable Board is an excellent choice. Its strong materials and thoughtful design make it a fantastic investment for both leisurely paddling and more adventurous outings. Product number 2. Nifean Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. The Nifean Inflatable Paddleboard caught my eye with its refreshing mint timber color. Upon unboxing, I was impressed by how lightweight it felt at 8.55 kilograms, making it easy to carry. As I inflated it, I noticed the quality immediately. The PVC material felt sturdy yet flexible. I took it to a nearby lake, and the first thing I noticed was how stable it felt underfoot, even for my beginner skills. The board's anti-slip EVA deck was a game changer, providing comfort during my paddle session. What really stood out was the inclusivity of its design. It supports up to 450 pounds, which is perfect for those of us who want to take our furry friends along for the ride. The board came with a plethora of accessories, including an adjustable paddle, D-rings for securing gear, and even a waterproof phone bag. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros? The broad design ensures stability, and the anti-slip surface is great for all skill levels, including yoga enthusiasts. The accessories included are comprehensive, ensuring you have everything you need to hit the water. On the flip side, while it's easy to carry, I found that the board can take a bit longer to deflate compared to others I've tried. Why buy the Nifean paddleboard? If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and stylish board that can accommodate a variety of water activities, this paddleboard is a worthy contender. Product number 3. Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, 10 feet 6 inches, violet. I decided to test the Rock Inflatable Paddleboard in a vibrant violet color this time. The moment I took it out of the box, I was struck by its sleek design and lightweight feel at 14.13 kilograms. Inflating it was straightforward, and I could feel the high-quality PVC material that Rock is known for. I was excited to see how it would perform on the water. Once I hit the waves, I was pleasantly surprised by how stable it felt, even with some choppy conditions. The board's extra-wide design was excellent for maintaining balance, especially when I tried to shift my weight for turns. The 350 pounds weight limit allowed me to bring my gear without worrying about stability. The non-slip deck made me feel secure, allowing me to paddle confidently. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. The pros include the amazing stability and the excellent build quality. This board is built to last. The warranty is also a huge plus, and the customer service from Rock is top-notch. On the downside, the board is heavier than some other options, which might be a consideration if you plan to carry it over long distances. Why buy this Rock paddleboard? If you want a paddleboard that combines durability, stability, and style, this is the one for you. It's perfect for families or anyone looking to have a fun day out on the water. Product number 4, Rock Inflatable Paddleboard with Kayak Seat. I was particularly intrigued by the Rock Inflatable Paddleboard that comes with a kayak seat. Weighing 17.5 pounds, it felt sturdy yet manageable when I carried it to the water. The violet color was striking, and I couldn't wait to try it out. This board also features a fantastic wide design, making it a safe option for both paddling and kayaking. When I inflated it, I immediately felt the premium quality of the PVC material. As I stepped on, the non-slip deck provided excellent grip, which was essential when I decided to test it out standing up as well as sitting down in kayak mode. The versatility of being able to switch between standing and sitting added a whole new dimension to my experience on the water. Now let's look at the pros and cons. On the pro side, the dual functionality makes it an incredibly versatile option. The build quality is exceptional, and the weight limit of 350 pounds is impressive. On the downside, the kayak seat, while comfortable, requires some adjustment to find the perfect position. Why buy this paddleboard? If you're looking for a multifunctional board that allows you to kayak or paddle, this Rock board is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want the best of both worlds in one package. Product number 5. FB Sport 11-foot Premium Stand-Up Paddleboard. The FB Sport 11-foot Premium Stand-Up Paddleboard caught my attention with its mint green color and wide stance. Weighing in at 13.49 kilograms, it felt rugged as I carried it down to my favorite spot on the lake. The first step onto the board was reassuring. Its wide deck provided immediate stability, which is a must for someone still getting the hang of paddleboarding. Made from military-grade material, I felt confident this board would withstand the test of time. I inflated it quickly, and I was on the water in no time. One of the standout features for me was the triple bottom panel fins that enhanced maneuverability, making it easy to steer even for a beginner like me. The non-slip deck was also a big plus, especially when I tried some yoga moves on the board. So what are the pros and cons? On the positive side, the board's lightweight design and premium materials make it an excellent investment. The included accessories are comprehensive, covering everything you need for a day on the water. However, the wider design might make it less agile for advanced maneuvers. Why buy the FB Sport board? If you want a reliable, stable, and versatile board that works for various water activities, from yoga to fishing, this paddleboard is a solid choice. After testing these top inflatable paddleboards, I can confidently say that there's something for everyone here. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a reliable board for family adventures, these options won't disappoint. Happy paddling!